Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Dodge Ram 1500. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Ram 1500 strikes the perfect balance between tough strength and passenger comfort. Its fuel efficiency, impressive towing capacity, and safety features make it your go-to vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get the truck that's both strong and comfortable to drive. Get into the Ram 1500.